I got 3 words for you. Set competitive prices. That's it, just those 3 words. No, look, when you're setting prices for your web design projects or anything else that you're working in, search engine optimization, or even creative logo design, try to aim for prices that are between $3,000 to $5,000 or British pounds or whatever is your currency. That range is actually quite suitable for quite a lot of businesses. Now, I always like to aim for 10,000, but if you're still starting off or you're finding your feet, you're still trying to build up your testimonials and your portfolio and your case studies, rather than going in at $500, go between 3 and 5. Now, the exact price that they will pay at the end of the day will depend on the specification and exactly what they need and if they've got any budget allocated to the project. Offering web design services at this price point is much more affordable for the client. And I know some of you are going to say $3,000 is still a lot. I know, but when they're looking at a premium service, or they want something that's really going to work and help their business and make an impact, between 3 to 5, and I'll keep saying it, is affordable. And don't forget, when you do give a price, stay silent. Don't start justifying it. Don't try to explain why is it starting at 3,000. Give them the price. And if they don't like it and they do want to haggle and come down, either stick to your price or you not start knocking off some of the services. Well, look, this is what the cost is for $3,000. But if you only want to pay half of that, well, okay, we're only going to do half the work, or we won't do the SEO, or maybe you need to go and provide all the content and the images in the right format for us. Because if a business is taking their website and their social media outreach and all of that seriously, they will see the value in what you bring, and between $3,000 to $5,000, it's a no-brainer for them.